you know how chefs always do a tuna marinade. So this is Toro, but I'm gonna be doing a marinade with it. Okay, so I'm gonna marinate it in soy sauce and a little bit of mirin. Okay, so just like that, I'm gonna put in my soy sauce. And just a little bit of mirin. Okay, so this is pretty much the taste, just to make it a little bit sweeter. Okay, so I'll put like a little bit less than, a little bit more than like 2 teaspoons of mirin. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for about like 15 minutes. So maybe 7 minutes on one side, and then I'll flip it over. All right, so this is gonna help it, the tuna soak up some flavor, and then I'm gonna do a nice little torch on torch. Okay, so you'll see. So in any traditional Japanese sushi restaurant you go to, they will serve you this more or less. It would be in one of the tuna courses or in one of the courses in general. So it's pretty much just marinated tuna. This helps bring out the umami of the tuna, so it's gonna be very good and delicious. Okay, as you guys can see. All right, so once that's ready, we'll make it. I'll make a few pieces of nigiri for it just to show you guys, and then maybe we'll garnish it. And yeah, so it's marinated for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take it out. I flipped it over already just because you know, didn't want to wait, but I'm gonna take it out. And as you can see, the color, it's a little bit nicer. It's very pink. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and then actually just sear the top and bottom of it, right? Okay, and then once I have that, I'm just gonna take it now. I'm gonna cut off the end. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay guys, so this is it. This is called Akamizuke. It's a marinated tuna that's slightly seared. It's what most Japanese chefs put on their menus in the restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna just score it. Cold still. All right, guys. So this is it. This is a Akamizuke with Toro, pretty much. Actually, it's fatty tuna. As you can see, the marbling looks really good, really nice. Woo, just look at that. All right, guys. So yeah, that's it. So this is what you would get at any sushi restaurant. This is what they would serve you. All right. You guys can see. Okay, so this is called the Akamizuke. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment below.